Hey, Nick Watson here at Joseph Motors. We're going to add another vehicle to our YouTube page. This is a 2012 Mack tractor we have. This thing's only got 39,000 miles on it. In phenomenal shape. One owner, rust-free piece of equipment. Johnny and I are going to go through some high points on this truck. We'll start here on the inside. It's got new tires wrapped all the way around it. No recaps. It's got a 12.8 liter MP8 Mack engine in it. 13-speed Fuller. It's got Meritor rears that are locking. 455 horsepower. 355 gears. It's got the wet line. But brand new tires we put on it, repainted the chassis, repainted the wheels. Mack air ride suspension. It's got the double air ride here. It's got the adjustable fifth wheel for different positioning. Toolbox on the side here. I forgot to unlock the door. It's got an air ride driver's seat. Truck's in really, really good shape. Everything's in operational order. Everything's been fully serviced. Got the MP8 Mack engine in it. One of the better outputs that they put out. Again, that engine's got 445 horsepower. Can be adjusted and turned up as well. But the real kicker in the jewel is the mileage. 39,000 miles. Lock on this? See on this side. If you got any questions about this unit, Johnny and I are here at Joseph Motors. You can call us at 919-661-2886. Hit us up on our website at josephmotorsnc.com. As you can see, we've got a large variety of diesel trucks available, all from box trucks to vans. We got mobility vans, we've got flatbed trucks, dump trucks, ambulances. We'd love to hear from you. If you got any time, give us a call, 919-661-2886. I'm Nick. That's Johnny. Have a great day.